Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will once again discuss a case regarding late filing of Form 10B and denying the exemption of Section 11 by the CPC. The issue before the court in the present writ petition was that if the assessee filed some manual Form 10B and due to some unavoidable reasons, like in the present case, the staff of the chartered accountant of the assessee met with an accident and due to which he could not file the Form 10B online in time. So, if the assessee files the condonation application, so whether this condonation application should be allowed or not. This issue has been taken up by the court in the case of Khandelwal Vaishya Samaj Charitable Trust versus Commissioner of Income Tax Exemptions, and this case is reported in 480 ITR at page number 463, and the date of the judgment is 3rd September 2025. The present case relates to the assessment year 17-18. The assessee got its audit report in Form 10B on 27th June 2017, which was required under Section 12A subsection 1 clause B. The assessee filed this audit report physically with the assessing officer, but due to the accident of the staff of the chartered accountant of the assessee, this could not be filed online. The CPC, when processed the return of the assessee, created a demand, and when the assessee came to know the reason of this demand, the assessee immediately found that the Form 10B has not been filed online, so he filed the condonation application before the commissioner. The commissioner, without going the contents of the application, rejected the condonation application in a perfunctory manner, and so the assessee has to file the writ petition in the Rajasthan High Court. When the court heard the matter, the court said that in the present case the assessee has filed a detailed affidavit regarding the reason for the delay in filing the Form 10B online in time, and the revenue has not confronted the contents of the affidavit. The court said that the assessee is a charitable organization and it is doing charity over a number of years, and the revenue is not able to prove that the assessee is lethargic and is not doing the charitable activities. The court said that there is no allegation of the bona fides in late filing of the Form 10B by the assessee, and the delay is not deliberate, and it cannot be said that it was the intention of the assessee to delay the online filing of the form. The court said that in the present case there is well reason of the assessee for not filing the Form 10B in time, so the rejection of the condonation application by the CIT exemption is not justified. The court said that to reconsider the application of the assessee on the merits of the case. Friends, it has been seen that whenever these type of cases are coming, the courts are very liberal. They are condoning the delay of the assessee, and they are directing the commissioners to consider the application of the assessee in the right perspective. But the takeaway from this case is that all the charitable organizations have to file the Form 10, Form 10B or Form 9A or the income tax returns, and if they are not filing these on time, the CPC is in a very rude manner creating the huge demands on the portal of the assessee. When the demands are created, the refunds of that charitable organizations are adjusted, and sometimes it happens that when the assessee comes to know about this, the time of filing the condonation application or the filing of the appeals has already expired. So one has to be very vigilant, has to see the portal very regularly, puts their email ID and contact numbers rightly on the portal so that they can get the intimations, because nowadays a number of the matters are getting in against the assessee just because that the assessee is not getting the proper intimations, proper notices, and sometimes because of the multiple professionals engaged with the assessee, these notices are skipped. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Khandelwal Vaishya Samaj Charitable Trust versus Commissioner of Income Tax Exemptions, and this case is reported in 480 ITR Tribunal at page number 463, and the date of the judgment is 3rd September 2025. Thank you, friends.